Hello there and welcome to Church Media. This is Shama Kirima. And today we're going to look at how we run our services. Now, we don't have a video mixer, but we're able to seamlessly deliver our service with three systems. Now, one of the systems, which is this one here, we use this one for easy worship. That is basically the scripture that the pastor calls out comes from this very system. Now, this system, on the other hand, deals with our PowerPoints. The songs we sing, the messages the pastor type, we type them directly from this other system. Then finally, this system, which is on the center, the one I'm sitting on, this is serving as our server, whereby we connect these two systems to this one. So whatever is on this system comes to this system, whatever is on this system comes to this system. And how do we connect that? We connect that using this router. Your router may not be as big as this, but any router you have will go well. We recommend you use router and not hotspot. Hotspot may have interruptions and the internet may not be as fluent as possible. This may not, you must not always have internet on it, but if you're just trying to connect these two systems to it, you definitely need to have a router. Now, this router, we have 3 LAN cables that will connect the server, the PowerPoint, and the easy worship, as we label them, together. So you can see that this router has 4 ports. This router has 4 ports. So we just need to connect it together. And I believe everybody knows how to connect router. So we'll just go ahead and plug them in. First, we're going to plug in the power cable. And this router, you know that it comes with a mini power bank. In case of lights interrupting, you always plug this power bank so that whenever lights interrupt, you don't have to worry about starting all over. So we plug this, and then it's going to bring out, because it's already on. So this is going to bring in light here. So once you see light, you wait for it to have internet loaded and all of that. So now we're going to plug this system. Each of the system will be plugged to their LAN cable. So I'm going to plug this system, which is for this system, and you can see that it's already connected. All right. So in case your system don't have a LAN port, you can get this. Remove it. You can get something like this. So this has a LAN extension in it, and then you have other USB that you can connect to it. So you just get it and then connect to the USB port of your system. Then you connect your LAN to it. So we've connected that LAN. Now this is the LAN to the server system. All right. So I'm just going to plug this LAN into the, and then you also connect it to your system. And then finally, we connect the LAN for the other system to the LAN port. So we've connected these 3. Now, all the systems are connected, but we can't see them yet. These 3 systems are connected via LAN now. If we check variously, you see that the LAN is showing internet access, but this server cannot see any of the system yet. Now, that's what we're going to be doing now. Now, each of the 3 systems each of the system you want connected and be seen on this server must have Vmix installed on them. All the 3 systems we have here have Vmix. So each of them now so everybody turn in your desktop capture card. So you just quickly search for So you see desktop, Vmix desktop capture. So all the 3 systems will have to turn this on. So you see that the desktop capture card has all been turned on. Now, once they are turned on, you can be able to access these 3 systems. And how can you do that? That's what we want to be doing. All right, so we want to now bring everything that is on these 3 systems to this system. So you go to Add Input. On Add Input, now you're no longer going to video or camera, you're going to NDI/desktop capture. So on NDI, you should be able to see the various systems connected to this uh, uh, this same internet connection. So we have display one, which is currently this system by my right hand here. So we have it, and once I select it, as going to be number 3. Like I always say, always deal with numbers. So we click on it, and it's going to be added. So you can see that it has been added. If I quick play it, you see that everything that is currently on this system by my right is showing. Now we've added this system, which is our PowerPoint, the one by my right, which is our PowerPoint, and whatever is there is showing. But we are not done yet, because the green screen on it shows that we need to remove the green so that we'll be able to display only what we are showing. So to do that, you click on this configuration settings here. You click on it, and then it's going to bring you to this place. Then you go down to color key, and color key, you click on color key again. Then you click on chroma key filter, and you draw it a bit, and then you close it. Now you see that the green screen is gone, only the text is showing. I make it full screen. So you will see that once that system puts it on full slideshow, it's showing us whatever is on the system. You see that that side is showing green screen, and this side is showing without. So this now becomes where the camera comes in. So if I bring the camera in and overlay this, you see that you see the camera and you see the text on it. So this will no longer interfere with either your template or anything. You have to use one, while 1, 2, 3, depending on whatever you want to overlay. But when you want to change camera, you use quick play. But you can see that this text is up, so we need to still go to settings again and move to position. We adjust the position using the Y, adjust it down so that we have little space. Now if you can see, the text is standing all right. So we are done with setting up the system by my right, which is our PowerPoint system. Now going to the system by my left, which is our Easy Worship. Now we're using Easy Worship version 7. Now Easy Worship version 7 has NDI embedded in it. So you don't need to use the desktop capture card if it's the Easy Worship you want to display, except you're using Easy Worship 2009, then you need to do some customized settings. Now, what we will need to do here is that we'll go to edit and go to options. Then on the options, we're going to change it. We'll change this monitor from primary to NDI stream. Then we'll click on OK. So once we click on OK, we will come back to the server. On the server now, we'll go to add input. On add input, we go to NDI/desktop capture. You can see that our scripture is showing. So we have system 1, system 2, and system 3, which is the one I am sitting on. This is system 3. This is system 1, the server. This is system 2, the PowerPoint, and this is system 3, the Easy Worship. So once I add this, now put a scripture to that effect. Now once it releases a scripture, you see that scripture has entered. Now make your own a full slideshow. Now you see that we have camera, which we can easily use quick play, and then we have our service template. What kind of service are we doing today, which is displayed. And then let's say pastor calls scripture. Now he calls Job chapter 1 verse 3. If I click on quick play, you will see that the scripture has been displayed. But now you see that the text is still on because I use quick play, and quick play is for just changing camera and scripture. But once you want to change text, you have to remove the 1 or 2 or 3, depending on where you put it on. Either 1, 2, or 3, depending on where you fix it on. Now you will see that your scripture has shown. Now we have 3 system connected to each other, and whatever they do on each of the system, we can see it. I believe you'll be able to see how we've been able to connect these three systems together, add them, and make them interact with each other, and then ready to be projected out of the system to the splitter and thereby to our screens. Now, I believe you've learned a lot today, and watch us more as we'll come away with different church media. For now, bye bye.